mambo ya usalama ya Kenya ni haki ya wananchi. Usalama ya mali yao, maisha yao, biashara zao ni majukumu yetu kama serikali. Na National Police Service, despite the fact that it is an independent entity, is working with us to make sure that we create the necessary synergy between the provincial, the national government administration officers and our security teams, ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba kuna usalama. We cannot accept kwamba kuna uhalifu inaendelea na saa zingine hata officers wetu wengine wanahusika. And that is why we say, tunasema whether criminals are in civilian or they are in uniform, we must deal with them firmly and decisively, and the law must apply to each and every person so that we can protect the lives and property of every citizen. Tunaelewana? We must make sure, and the National Police Service, an independent institution, must discharge its responsibility independently, fairly, decisively, and also with results. Na vile vile, the Independent Police Oversight Authority must make sure that officers in uniform who engage in criminal activity instead of protecting citizens must be brought to book, held to account decisively, efficiently, so that we can restore the confidence of citizens in our security apparatus.